In this video, we're going to build a simple model of a straight line. The equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. So we're going to have a value for m and a value for c. So let m equal 2 and c equal minus 3 as an example. Now we're going to create a table of x and y values. So let's set the initial value of x to be minus 4, and the y value is given by y is equal to m times x plus c. Okay, now the next x value is going to equal the previous x value plus 1. So minus 4 becomes minus 3. We now copy the value of y down into that cell and we get a value of 9. Now we're actually expecting a value of minus 3 times 2 is minus 6, minus 3, this should be minus 9, so something's gone wrong. So let's have a look at what it is. So if I press F2, I get the equation, and you see it says C4 and C5, that's C4, that's C5, and it really should be C3 and C4. So let's see what's gone wrong. If we go to B7 and press F2, we can see the equation, and that's C3 and C4. And what's happened is, as we've copied it down, the values of 3 and 4 have incremented. So if we put $1 in front of the 3 and $1 in front of the 4, that says I want those to remain constant. So now if I copy that down, I get the value of minus 9, which is what I was expecting. So now what I can do is I can copy these cells to get some more values. Now if I block mark the table and then say insert graph, I've now got a graph of a straight line. Now if I change the value of the gradient to say minus 3, the graph redraws. If I change the y-intercept to say 5, the graph makes the appropriate changes. So now what I've got is not the graph of a straight line, it's the graph of any straight line. The graph is entirely controlled by these two cells. So with this simple spreadsheet, we've not created a graph of a straight line, we've created a model of a straight line. And the model is controlled by these two cells.